Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today let's learn how to make a vegetable sagu, a popular South Indian dish known for its mild, flavorful gravy and assortment of vegetables. It's often enjoyed with chapati, roti or poori. And the ingredients needed are grated coconut, 1.5 cup roughly chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup, green chillies, 4 to 6. You can increase the quantity of chillies if you want it more spicy. Poppy seeds, 2 teaspoons, ginger, 1 tablespoon, garlic, 10 to 12 pods, 4 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, sunflower oil, 1/4 cup, ghee, 1/4 cup. Ghee is optional. You can use sunflower oil instead. 2 small Knol coals cut into small pieces. 1 carrot cut into small pieces. 8 to 10 beans cut into small pieces. Frozen green peas, half cup. 2 small potatoes cut into small pieces. 1 sliced onion. Mustard, 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves, handful. Desi tomatoes, 4 cut into small pieces. Let's get started. Take a pressure cooker and add potatoes, Knol coal, beans, carrot, green peas. Add some salt, required amount of water. Cover and cook for 1 whistle. After that, take a blender jar and add grated coconut, chopped coriander leaves, green chillies, poppy seeds, ginger, garlic, cloves, cinnamon, turmeric powder. Add required amount of water and grind it into a smooth paste. For tempering, let's take a cooking pan and pour sunflower oil, and ghee, once the oil gets hot, add mustard. When it splutters, add onions, saute the onion till translucent. Also add curry leaves, time to add tomatoes, add some salt. Saute the tomatoes until they get mushy. Then pour the ground masala and roast on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the masala turns aromatic, pour cooked vegetables. Mix everything well, check the salt, add more if needed. Bring it to boil and serve hot. It's an excellent combination with chapati, dosa or poori. Try it at home and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.